So at the point that I was getting the gearbox in, as you saw in the last clip, basically I knocked the camera over and, well, that was the end of camera number 2. So we're on camera number 3 now. So as you can see, the gearbox is in. We've got it bolted up with 3 bolts holding it onto the engine. It was a little bit tricky, and I actually had to get Jamie, my mate, to get the gearbox in for me in the end, because I just couldn't do it on my own. But it's in. Now we need to get these drive shafts on. So the drive shafts, really straightforward to fit. Align them up to the gearbox, just bolt them up in place. So with the drive shafts back in place, we reconnect the clutch. So with everything bolted back up, there's only one thing to do.